The reset button on your Rheem water heater is a crucial safety feature designed to restart the unit's internal controls, especially after a high temperature shutoff or other system fault. Before attempting to locate or use the reset button, safety must be your first priority. Always turn off the power to your water heater at the circuit breaker or unplug the unit completely. The location of the reset button varies depending on your specific Rheem water heater model. Let's examine the three main types and where to find the reset button on each. For tankless water heaters, the reset button is typically located behind the front cover panel. You'll need to remove this cover to access the small red reset button on the control board. On traditional tank-style gas water heaters, look for a small access door or panel at the bottom of the unit. The reset button is usually red and located on the gas control valve or nearby control panel. Electric water heaters have their reset button in a different location. You'll typically find it hidden under the upper access panel, often behind insulation. Remove the panel to reveal the thermostat and reset button. Here's what the reset button looks like in practice. Notice the small red button that's clearly visible once you access the control area. This is the button you'll need to press to reset your water heater. Remember, the reset button is typically small and red across all Rheem water heater models. Once you've safely turned off the power and located the appropriate access panel for your heater type, you'll be ready to proceed with the reset process. Before resetting your Rheem water heater, safety must be your top priority. Always turn off power and gas before beginning any work. Step 1. Turn off the power to your water heater at the circuit breaker. This is essential for your safety when working with electrical components. Step 2. For gas water heaters, turn the gas control knob to the off position. This prevents gas flow during the reset process. Step 3. Locate the reset button on your water heater. It's typically a small red button on the control panel. Press and hold it for a few seconds until you hear a click. Step 4. Wait a few minutes for the water heater to restart. This allows the internal systems to reset and stabilize before proceeding. Step 5. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. For gas heaters, you'll also need to relight the pilot light according to your manufacturer's instructions. Step 6. Test your water heater by running hot water at a faucet. This confirms the reset was successful and your heater is producing hot water again. Important warning: if your reset button trips frequently, this indicates a more serious problem, such as a faulty thermostat or heating element. Contact a qualified technician for professional diagnosis and repair.